Hi there everybody. Today we're going to look at working out area of a segment. Now area of a segment is quite an awkward one, so you need a couple of skills that you need in relation to this. So you need to be able to work out the area of a triangle using sine. Alright, so please look at that lesson if you've not done that one before. And you also need to be able to work out the area of a sector, again, which is another lesson. Alright, so there's two lessons combined here that you need to be able to apply. Alright, so I'm going to walk you through one anyway, but essentially I said a bit of pre-learning needed while you're kind of doing this particular one. So the area of a segment can be found by finding the area of a sector and subtracting the area of a triangle. Okay. But to work out the area of a triangle, you need to use trigonometry, which is the sine way of doing it. All right. So I will kind of go through it, but as I'm going through it, again, if you're thinking I don't know a clue what he's talking about, then please look at the other couple of lessons as I mentioned them. All right. So calculate the area of the segment in green. So that's this bit here. All right. So what you've got is you've got a triangle, which is the bit in white, and then you've got a sector, which is the whole lot. So both these two together. So if you're only going to leave with the green bit, you're going to work out the whole lot as a sector and then take away the white triangle from it, and that's going to leave you with the green section here. Okay, so the area of the sector, so again look at the lesson on area of a sector, because without this you won't be able to do it. So it's going to be pi times radius squared, so the area of a circle, divided by 360 and then times by 140. So what we're working at is this area of the whole sector. All right, so it's the area of the circle divided by 360 times by 140, because it's not a full circle, which is going to give me this bit all the way out, the whole lot. All right, the area of the triangle, well, this is half AB sine C. Okay, so half AB sine C. Right, this is 8, and so is this. Right, they're both radiuses, so the area of the triangle is a half, using the formula half AB sine C, is a half times 8 times 8 times sine 140. All right, so again, if you're not sure where I've come across that, please look at the area of a triangle using sine. This is what this is bit. So half AB sine C is the formula, and then we're going to apply the two sides. So what you need is two sides and an angle in between. So that's your 8 and your 8, and sine 140. And again, put that in the calculator. It's going to give you this. And therefore, what you are left with, when I do the whole lot to take away the triangle, you are left with the bit in the green. All right, so the area of a segment is that, take away that, and it's going to give you that. All right, so quite a laborious, a time-consuming task to do, but of course, you would hope, therefore, in an exam, they'll give you a few marks for it. All right, but in essence, you need to be able to work out the area of a sector and the area of a triangle using those different skill sets before being able to apply this. All right, so by all means, please go to maths-school.co.uk to practice on this particular one, or revisit some of the other lessons if you think you need to. All right, thank you for listening.